So look at these two airdrops on my screen here. The first one here is Cyber Dodge. The second one here is JinPeng. And the two are built on Solana blockchain. And guess what? I got these two absolutely for free. I'm going to show you how to get the two of this airdrop in this video. And for those of you that have gotten it already and you're having issues with withdrawal, I'm also going to put you through on how to withdraw. And most especially for those of you that are facing this issue whereby they are telling you that you do not have any Jin in your wallet, I'm going to show you how to get Jin to your wallet here so that you will be able to place your withdrawal. Now, if I should open this my JinPeng token here and then I scroll up, let me show you history. I've been on this airdrop since about 4 months now, and I've made several withdrawals and several conversions. So you can see this is the first amount I received here, and it was about 4 months ago, 24,712 Jin. And you can see the second time I received 4,500 Jin and the likes. Then you can see this place I swapped Jin to USDC and I swapped to 6.9 USDC. So if I go back again, I want to show you another swap session. Okay, look at the swap session again, whereby I swapped Jin again to 20 USDC, which I was able to cash out to my local bank account. So it's pretty easy. This airdrop is paying. And guess what? I'm still performing tasks on this platform so that I'll be able to accumulate more of this airdrop against the bull run that is upcoming. If you can see, the price of Solana lately is going up. And once Solana goes up, all Solana based tokens are also going to go up as well. So you can see within the last 24 hours, you can see this one is having plus $1, this one is plus, so it's rising currently. For you to be able to accumulate this JinPeng, it's very easy. I've made a full tutorial video showing you guys how to register on this Jin platform and how to start performing tasks. If you check the top of your screen here, if you're watching from YouTube, check the top of your screen. This video that is displaying right now, click and open it. It will show you step-by-step guide on how to register on this JinPeng. So it's very easy. Now let me show you how to place your withdrawal. For most of you that are getting this issue whereby they're telling you do not have enough Jin on your wallet, all you simply have to do is come to the swap section. Look at it here. This is a swap section. You click on it and there are two ways to this. So in case this one does not work for you, I'll also show you a simpler method. So once you come to this swap section, the first token that's going to be displaying here will be Solana, since this is Phantom Wallet and all tokens here are built on Solana blockchain. So make sure you have minimum of $0.5 worth of Solana or $1 worth of Solana. You can purchase from an exchange of your choice, exchange like Bybit, BitGet, or you can even purchase from a vendor, any of your trusted vendor. It's okay. So once you have Solana, currently I do not have up to $1 worth. I have just this 0.0007, but it still works. So you click on this second token here, this USDC, and then you come to the search menu. You are not going to be having this Jin on your screen here since you do not have any Jin token on your balance. So you click on the search and then you type in JIN. Once you type it, you wait for this page to load up and then it's going to show you JinPeng. You can now click on it, and once it opens up, it's pretty easy. You put in the amount you are going to be swapping here. For instance, the main purpose of you swapping your Solana to Jin is so that you are going to have some Jin token on your balance for you to be able to place withdrawal. So because of that, even 1 Jin or 5 Jin, it's okay. So what you simply have to do is this Jin section here. You click on this price and then you put in 5 Jin. And you can see it is less than $0. So it goes. And then from here, you can now swap. You click on this review order and then you do your swapping. They might not allow you to swap as low as this 5 Jin. I don't know if they are going to allow me or not, because I'm not going to be clicking on this swap button here. As you can see, I don't have any Solana on my balance. So I don't know if it's going to work. But minimum 5. And if you try it and it doesn't work out, then you can go for 10 Jin. The main purpose is for you to have some Jin on your wallet. Now, for some of you, you might come to this swap section and then you will not see Jin token. Yes, you will come to this swap section, you see your Solana here, you click on this second place, just as I've explained to you, and then you search for Jin. You still not see Jin token. So this is another easy way to do it. You go back on your Phantom wallet and you come to these D apps. This is their browser section. Now I'm going to leave a link in the description box of this video that you can use to do your swapping externally. You copy that link, then you come into this place, you paste in the link, So this is the link here, jup.ag. I'll drop this link in the description box of the video, so you can just pick it up. Then once you click on it, you allow it to load up and open. So it will take you to this swap page, which is pretty easy. And all you have to do is, first of all, you click on this arrow button here, because you can see Solana is below. So I'm going to move Solana upward. And yes, Solana is up now. Now what you want to do again is click on connect wallet. My wallet is connected already, so you can see it's telling me to enter an amount. But for you, they will tell you to connect wallet. All you simply have to do is click on connect wallet, then you connect your phantom wallet, and it's pretty easy as that. Then you can now click on this second token, this one below your screen here. You come to this place and then you search for your Jin. Okay, and you can see this is it here. So you input it and you can simply do your swapping from here. So it's pretty easy as that. After this video, I don't think you should be having any issues again. So once that is out of the way and I have some Jin token on my balance, I can now head into my Telegram, open up my JinArmy Airdrop, and you can see this is my current balance. So once I click on wallet and I'll look for the withdrawal section. So as I click on wallet and then I click on withdraw, they won't show me any error. This withdrawal is going to go, and according to them, they pay within 6 hours. So it's pretty as easy as that, nothing complicated. Like I've said, if you want to know how to earn on this Jinpeng token, how to earn some tokens on it, I've made a video that I have pinned to this one. Check the top of the screen. I've made a video. That video explains how you're going to earn and how you're going to link your wallet, how to connect your Solana wallet or your Phantom wallet to this Jin. So it's easy as that. Now the next thing we have here is this Cyber Dodge, and this one is latest, like it's trending. Unlike Jinpeng has been out for about 4 months now, but Cyber Dodge was recently released and it's not up to a month yet. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn on this Cyber Dodge, how to connect your wallet, and how to place your withdrawal. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon. I'm going to be releasing the video tomorrow, so you get notifications when it drops.